हेलो एवरीवन। सो इस वीडियो में हम चैप्टर 10 स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट के ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस वो डिस्कस करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं विद क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अगेंस्ट द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? ए ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ अथॉरिटी, बी प्रॉपर डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन, सी डेलीगेशन ऑफ पावर, डी proper communication. Right answer is A, overlapping of authority. Question 2. In conduct of any sports competition, the principle of management is A, planning, B, organizing, C, budgeting, D, all of the above. Right answer is D, all of the above. Question 4. The autocratic leader. A, allows subordinates to take decision. B, seeks opinion of subordinates. C, direct subordinates. D, involve subordinates. Right answer is C, directs subordinates. Question 4. Which one of the following is not the function of management? A, planning, B, union leadership, C, directing, D, coordinating. Right answer is B, union leadership. Question number 5. The best method of sports administration is A, autocratic, B, democratic, C, dictatorial, D, laissez-faire. Right answer is B, democratic. Question 6. The scope of sports management depends on A, personnel, B, facilities, C, finance, D, all the above. Right answer is D, all the above. 7. The best way of managing physical education program is A, autocratic, B, democratic, C, bureaucratic, D, laissez-faire. Right answer is B, democratic. Question number 8. PPBES stand for A, planning, programming, budgeting, education and system. B, preparing, programming, budgeting, entry and system. C, planning, preparation, balancing, education and system. D, planning, programming, budgeting, evaluation and system. Right answer is D, planning, programming, budgeting, evaluation and system. Question number 9. Coordination of the efforts of different people toward a common end is technically known as A, management, B, organization, C, administration, D, supervision. Right answer is A, management. Question number 10. Getting the right facts to the right people at the right time in the right way is called A, game management, B, public relations in sport, C, motivation in sport, D, leadership in sport. Right answer is B, public relation in sports. Question 11. What makes administration and organization of physical education most efficient? A, infrastructure, B, highly qualified personnel, C, teachers' personality, D, technical knowledge and skills. Right answer is C, teachers' personality. Question number 12. The most difficult task in sports management is the management of A, personnel, B, play fields, C, equipment, D, material. Right answer is A, personnel. Question 13. A good demonstration is designed to help A, the teacher to teach skills perfectly, B, enable pupils to understand the skill well, C, speed up perfection in a skill, D. Understand biomechanics of the skill. Right answer is B. Enable pupils to understand the skill well. Question number 14. If in physical education and sports, organization has meant setting up things, administration has meant A. Performance and accomplishment, B. Governance, C. Implementations, D. Dispensation. Right answer is A. Performance and accomplishment. Question 15. Which one of the following is no major domain of physical education? A. Research, B. Instruction, C. Teaching skill, D. Inspection. Right answer is D. Inspection. Question number 16. The essence of management in any field of human interaction is A. Coordination, B. Coexistence, C. Cooperation, D. Coaction. Right answer is A. Coordination. Question number 17. In a successful management system, assignment of authority must necessarily go with the assignment of A. Power, B. Responsibility, C. Status, D. Duty. Right answer is B. Responsibility. Question 18. The earliest term used for management was A. Administration, B. Organization, C. Coordination, D. Direction. Right answer is A. Administration. Question 19. Laissez-faire administration, which is the reverse of authoritarian administration, literally means A. Free from all, B. Do as you wish, C. Let alone, D. Rule of law. Right answer is C. Let alone. Question 20. In sports and physical education, controlling as a function of management generally referred to A. Supervising idea, B. Guiding faculty members, C. Disciplining students, D. Asserting on the environment. Right answer is B. Guiding faculty members. 21. Organization of human elements is a basic principle of A. Organization and administration, B. Sports training, C. Physical education, D. Curriculum design. Right answer is A. Organization and administration. Question 22. Which one of the following factors does not influence class management? A. Class size, B. Age and sex, C. Previous experience, D. Social status. Right answer is D. Social status. Question 23. Stand cancel. Question 24. Effective communication is essential in sports management to keep alive its A. Dynamics, B. Practices, C. Principles, D. Foundation. Right answer is A. Dynamics. 25. Blueprints of the competition plan is called A. Technique, B. Tactics, C. Strategy, D. Skill. Right answer is C. Strategy. 26. The Society for National Institute of Physical Education and Sports merged with SAI in A. 1983, B. 1987, C. 1980, D. 1979. Right answer is B. 1987. 27. SAI was established in A. 1981, B. 1985, C. 1984, D. 1988. Right answer is C. 1984. 28. Intramural programs creates in student the sense of A. Achievement, B. Involvement, C. Humor, D. Enjoyment. Right answer is B. Involvement. 29. A leader most possesses the following except A. Missionary zeal, B. Commitment, C. Purposiveness, D. Selfishness. Right answer is A. Missionary zeal. Question 30. The basic function of management are A. Planning and organization, B. Directing and program developing, C. Personal management and financial management, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 31. Ambit within which the sports management must perform is generally referred to as A. Leadership in sports, B. Sphere of sports management, C. Evaluation in sports, D. Innovation in sports. Right answer is D. Innovation in sports. Question 32. Which of the following is the first step in a sports program? A. Directing, B. Staffing, C. Planning, D. Budgeting. Right answer is C. Planning. Question 33. Terms administration and management are A. Synonymous to each other, B. Entirely different from each other, C. Somewhat similar to each other, D. All of the above. Right answer is B. Entirely different from each other. Question 34. Sports management is A. An art, B. A science, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Both A and B. Question 35. The fund constituted to assist sports person of the yesteryear living in indigent circumstances is A. National Welfare Fund, B. Rural Sports Program, C. National Sports Development Fund, D. National Service Volunteer Scheme. Right answer is A. National Welfare Fund. Question 36. Which of the following does not come under the purview of constraint identification in sports management? A. Geographical, B. Physiological, C. Economical, D. Social. Right answer is D. Social. 37. Which of the following is the prime objective of planning in sports? A. Entertainment, B. For physical fitness, C. Development of one's sense, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question number 38. The plan in which only the chief executive dictates, initiates and monitors is called A. Democratic plan, B. Participative plan, C. Authoritarian plan, D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Authoritarian plan. Question 39. Army Boys Sports Company scouts talent in the age group of A. 18 to 14 years, B. 10 to 14 years, C. 12 to 16 years, D. 14 to 18 years. Right answer is A. 18 to 14 years. Question number 40. The last link of the sports management chain is A. Control and evaluation, B. Finance and budget, C. Public relation, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Control and evaluation. 41. Funds for the sports program can be collected through A. Alumni associations, B. Donations and gifts, C. Funds from public sector undertakings, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. 42. Objectives of a national sports organization may be A. To encourage the development of sports in the country, B. To organize the championships and national and regional level, C. To participate in international events from time to time be decided, D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Question 43. The ability to see the enterprise / sports organization as a whole is called A. Human skill, B. Conceptual skill, C. Mechanical skill, D. None of the above. Right answer is D. None of the above. 44. The use of particular method of teaching depends upon A. Skill of the teacher, B. Sex of the teacher, C. Age of the teacher, D. None of the above. Right answer is A. Skill of the teacher. 45. Biological science suggests A. Physical and balanced nutrition are interrelated, B. Variety of activities sustain interested, C. Games and sports are great social experiences, D. Play fields does not recognize and distinction of caste, language, creed, color, etc. Right answer is A. Physical and balanced nutrition are interrelated. 46. The school intramural program virtually serve as an excellent ground for A. Skill development, B. Testing skill proficiency, C. Basic constructional works, D. Student recreation. Right answer is B. Teaching skill proficiency. 47. The most appropriate educational basis on which intramural context is school should be organized is A. Interclass, B. Interhouse, C. One-to-one matching, B. Open context system. Right answer is B. Interhouse. 48. Which of the following should not be considered as a unit of organization is an intramural program? A peer group, B. A house, C. An intact class, D. A section of a class. Right answer is A peer group. 49. Both intramural and extramural sports competition should contribute to A. Develop athletic talent, B. Participant physical culture, C. Education objective, D. Institutional prestige. Right answer is C. Education objective. Question 50. What status do intramural competitions have in school curriculum framework? A. Obligatory, B. No status, C. Required, D. Optional. Right answer is C. Required. So thank you very much for watching this 50 question of sports management.